Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. My beloved shout out also to the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we're going to start for the first term for this whole year. And our topic for today, the introduction to central tendency. And we're going to talk about the mean. And this is your teacher, Marife Adonis. Okay, look at this picture. It's a picture of two girls balancing together. Now, when we what do you mean the word balance? Or have you ever heard the word balance? Okay. Ano masasabi niyo pag sinabing balance ang mga bagay? Okay? So let's hear from your answer. Just comment on the comment section. Now, here is the problem. Show 5 stacks of blocks of different heights. Okay. So, the bottom is 2, 3, 5, 6, and the top is 9. All right. Do you think it will be balanced? Do you think it combines balance? Okay, it's up to you. Now we have here procedure card or a step. I'm going to introduce you the mean machine procedure checklist on the board. Okay. So for example, actually this is a picture of a real machine. No, a mean machine. It's actually just like the box, no? The first is add all the numbers. So we have add. Second, count how many numbers there are. And 3, divide the total sum the count. Now, what do you mean by the mean? Okay, let's see if you can take it on our next procedure. Now, here are examples. Step 1, 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 9 equals 25. So there are 5 stacks. Okay? And step 3, 25 divided by 5 is 5. Now, how do we get this answer? In here, no, we use mean. Okay, later, we will do it using the formula. But remember, the steps here is add, count, and divide. Okay? Add, count, divide. Add, count, divide. Add, count, divide. All right. Here is the scenario. Daily count of baskets of bamboo organs made by local artisans in Las Piñas over 5 days are 4, 6, 5, 4, 6. Now, how are we going to answer this question? Okay, let's see. How are we going to do that? So we have 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 6. How many are there? So we have 10, then another 10. Of course, 10 plus 10 is 20, 20 plus 5, 25. So there are 25. Then 25, okay, divided by 5. Are there 5 numbers? Yes, there are 5 numbers. So the mean is 5. So in other words, the process in finding the mean is add, count, and divide. Add, count, and divide. Okay, let's see the next. So let's have here, okay, provide a clear color-coded procedural guide. So we have here procedural guides using naman the formula. So write down all numbers. Of course, let's sum them up by using the sum of x count total number, the total items using n, and divide sum of x over n. So this is our formula in finding the mean. So we have this formula as mean is equal to sum of x over n. Or in other words, the total number of data divided by the number of items. Okay. Okay, so let's have more examples. So the weights in kilograms of 8 members of Hereward House tag of war team at a school sports are 75, 73, 77, 76, 84, 76, 77, and 78. Now let's calculate the mean weight of the team. Okay, so we have 75 plus 73. We have 148. Next, let's add 77 plus 76. We have 13 and then 15. So that's 143. Then add again 84 plus 76. We have 10, 15, 16. So what's 160? And the last 77 plus 78. We have 15, then 155. Okay. So 77 plus 78 is 155. All right. Then let's total 148 plus 143. We have 11, 9, 2. Then we have 160 plus 155. We have 5 and then 11, 3. 315 plus 291. 6, 0, 6. Okay, 606. Then we're gonna divide it by 6. Okay, 606 divided by 6. Okay, so we have 1, 6, 0. Of course, we bring down 0, so you need to put 0 here. And another bring down 6, another 1. So that means 101 is the mean weight of the team. 101 is the mean weight. All right. That's how we add, count, and divide. All right. Now let's have more examples here. For number 2, or for number 1, we got 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. Okay. 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 6, 12. So 12 plus 17, that's about 29. Okay. And then 29 divided by 5 equals 5. Okay, that's 25. 5 times 5 is 25. Bring down 4, 4, or add 0. So 40 divided by 5 is 8. So that is 5.8. So 5.8. Okay. Then for number 2, no, you have to follow the order. So 9 plus 8 is 15. So we got 15. 15, and then we have 8, and then we have 9, okay? So 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 15, that is 12, 32, no? So 32 divided by 6, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, divided by 6. 32 divided by 6, okay, so there are 5, no? So 5 times 6 is 30, bring down 2, okay? Then another 0 here, you add 0. 20 divided by 6, that's 0.3. Okay, so probably the answer is 5.33, because that's repeating already. No, so just follow the process. Remember, add, count, and divide. Add, count, and divide. Okay, that's the process in finding the mean. So in other words, the mean is the average of, just like ano, no, your grades, your anything that you do, no? What's your average sleep over the night? No? That's very local, very common question. Now, so for our formative test, so you have to follow, no? Use the steps below to find the mean of it. So we have add the numbers, count how many numbers, divide the total by the number of items. Okay, so we have here, for example, 6 plus 8 plus 5 or plus 10, 18 plus 6, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24. So there are 24. So that means the answer here must be 6 plus 8 plus 10. So there are 24. Okay, and then here you no here how many, you count the numbers, so there are 3, of course 3, right? So 24, so you count, the counting is 24, so 24 divided by 3, the mean is 8. Okay, so in step 1, you add all the numbers, and at step 2, you count the numbers, and then 3, divide to get the mean. All right, that's all. Thank you so much.